rutabaga is too tough. I'm throwing in the towel. You're done. You're finished. We're kaput. We're over it. No more. You cannot do this. No, don't you worry about me. When I'm done with this rutabaga, he's gonna wish he got whacked in the bathroom. Oh, fine. Go. Go ahead. Go ahead and do it. Joining me for today's special episode. I'm going to be going over a special part. We have this as our root vegetable prong. As you can see, it's got 5 pins, but they are very short compared to our apple prongs. I will get one here side by side to show you in just a moment. There we go. So, today I'm going to be peeling rutabagas. As you saw by my sketch, rutabagas are one tough SOB to peel. I'm sure many of my chefs and cooks are well aware. But with my special root vegetable prong and the KA700, rutabagas are a thing of the past as far as peeling concerns. When peeling rutabagas on your KA700, you're going to want to use the turnip setting. The turnip covers most root vegetables other than the potato and other potato root vegetables. There we go, just like that. Here's the next one. This one I grabbed specifically because it's got this big old flat side. So, I want to show you how we deal with that. When you've got a flat side on your vegetable or your fruit, what you're going to do is you're going to slow everything down a bit. And watch what happens here. I'm going to put this at the extreme slow setting for the blade. And the speed of the rotation is going to be at 3. And the blade is going to be at a 2. Stuff there. So, even that flat spot is taken care of when you slow the settings down and you adjust your machine properly. And there we go. With the root vegetable prong, the KA700 can power through root vegetables, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, really whatever you're running, as fast as you want to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We have a website, peelaton.com, or call us at 866-PEEL-TON. Again, 866-PEEL-TON. You will get to speak to me. I'm standing by. Have a great day. Thank you.